ụtụtụ ọma ndị Igbo ibe m. Ana m ekene nwoke ekene nwaanyị ndị nọ n'ala Igbo ma ndị nọ n'obodo dị iche iche ma ndị nọ na mba ofesi, na-asị ka udo nke Chineke dịrị onye ọbụla n'aha Jizọs Kraịst, amen. Ana m asị happy Independence Day to you all. Ka Independence a wetara gị ihe ọma, inwere onwe dị iche iche na ndụ n'aha Jizọs Christ of Nazareth, amen. Isiokwu m wetara tata bụ gị mmadụ ịbụ onye nche nwanne ya. Be your brother's keeper. Unu mana na eziokwu na-awa awa na ntị. Ife na-atọ ụtọ okwu ashị, okwu enwere isi. Ndị mmadụ na-aka na-eji ihe iberibe kpọrọ ihe bata n'afọ ezigbo ihe, a na-agbara ezigbo ihe ọzọ, maka na ndị Igbo tụrụ inu si na eziokwu gị na-agba agba na ntị. What is my topic today? Be your brother's keeper. Ka Jesus Christ ji kụziri anyị, bụrụ onye nche nwanne gị. Now watch, o nwere ụbọchị na-apụta mgbe efu nwanyị dị ime, almost ime ahụ ike orugo almost to deliver. Moto ochi mee gịnị? Mee overheat. A lot of people watching this woman, ya si n'ebe ahụ na-adọ bonnet ya achọkọ esi. A young man, they was passing, young girls was passing. Onye help this woman na mkpa ya, a pregnant woman. But ị chọrọ ịgba moto nke gị, iwe fụ nwanne gị ibe moto ya mebiri, onwere onye enyemaka, onwere ihe tinyere aka kwapụta moto ahụ n'ụzọ. You pass, but your prayer point is, I want to drive my wife, I want my wife to drive a car. Upon n'afọ ime obu, obere nwa obu n'afọ. None help that woman just because of that child. Ijiro maka the woman, ijiri maka nwa. When I dropped, now I know some of the comments in the man na pass. Ụmụnwaanyị bịa eburu ogbogo moto na-agba. Ụmụnwaanyị bịa na-akọ ya ọnụ. Ụmụnwoke na-asị na ụmụnwaanyị na ọnụ ọjọọ na-eme ka na. But you are wishing yourself to drive a car or to have a baby. What of if that child, mama ya na-eme ya, maybe moto jamara or the child nwee injury? You are not doing it just because of that woman. You are doing it because of God, your brother's keeper. Ị ga-afụ nwanne gị na-ata afụfụ, gụnwa uchi nke ọ fụrụ anya ebe ahụ, because anyị nwa bụ ndị mmụọ ozi Chineke ji arụ ọrụ n'ụwa. You pass your brothers. A lot of us na-eme anyị nye gị position immediately from nwanne gị onye Igbo, you turn and speaking another language. You deny your brothers, you deny your sisters because of what? Money. You are not proud of where you come from. Mmadụ ya ga na mba fụ onye obodo ha na-asụ asụ obodo ha, but the person will refuse to speak the same language. He will deny his brothers. Ụfọdụ nọ n'obodo Igbo, wherever you see your nwanne gị ọsụ Igbo, you be like, hello man, or you guy, how you doing, bro? You know, are you guys in here? Nice to meet you. I was a citizen here, I born here. Hey, your brother, but your conscience is beating you. Just because you don't want to help that your brother, you deny that your brothers. I'm an your daughter, but I get you making your daughter, and my name is Yoma. You become a policeman, a dealing at the road to secure your brothers. You will see your brother. You will start telling him, Osage, one nadalo, this way, I beg, open your particulars, open your wallet, bring your particulars, your inner light, your boot. I know that they tell you to speak English because of public. You don't know who is who. But this one has speak an Igbo. Instead of figure it on Kanda was me. Onye was from Nyosana Kai. Sanu, Onye has to Hausa. He will be very happy that of go one there. But only when you did that particular time, I don't hear Igbo. But for you to collect kobo, you suffer your brothers on the road. Look at killings everywhere. Where are them? Where is the police? Everything has spoiled. Because you are not your brother's keepers. You even at all won't get it. You will see somebody that is stranded, don't have any hope again. He will come and talk to you. You deny that person. You can't help. Be your brother's keepers. Buru Nche Nwanne. You carry your brothers and pretend and kill that your brother because of money and sell it to your enemies for you to make money to live. Search your conscience. Kerika Egansiato. I want to open some people's eyes to know that this Christianity in a woman, it is if I'm in a man, then I'll also push in a man. But it's your reformer guy. Okay, anata obobo anyari anonu. Obono ya fonyi bode proud. Kama osasiate. You will see your brothers. You deny that person for you to make money. Remember that all these things is vanity upon vanity. There is a particular place in the, what do you call it? Anakwanda Obonejago. When they enter a place, now I go to fence because they want to get money from those people. Now I go to fence. All these types of people. The engineer was telling them, one na Jereno Kairizine. I'm not from Igbo. I'm from a Bini. I'm a Bini man. I'm a Edo man. I don't know what you're saying. I just working here for government. He changed the language. When he collected the money back, after he collected the money, he starts speaking Igbo. You will say your brother to get what you want. After you get what you want, you will not recognize that it's your brother. What type of a mess life? Be your brother's keepers. If you have one, fine. But if you have like 3, 4, and you see somebody that don't have, take one and give that person. If you see your brothers shedding tears on the road, ask him what is the problem. Don't deny him with your language, with the language. You see somebody in those days, in a full umbrella, man 5 on the umbrella, they all will hold together. Come a but now, somebody will have umbrella, now mama got in mind. He doesn't care. Nobody won't. Don't come close to me. Don't sting me. Kai, where are we heading to? We'll lift out our Bible and we'll talk and we'll preach, but we are not practicing what we are preaching. Buru, Onye, Nche, Nwanne. Help your brothers. Help your sisters. The Bible said that we are one. Just one God. Although that na ị na-ege ntị n'okwu ma ị na-amụta ife, ị na-echenji ọnọdụ mara mgbe ị na-eme njọ na mgbe ị na-eme mma. You want to build house. But then I think Nwanne gị na-arụ. Enough ndị na-achọ ka emebi ebe ahụ or dupuo ya or you will support them and sell your products for you to make money from that your products. Look at North. If you go there, it's true that Hausa and Igbo people there, some of them, in times of trouble, they support an Hausa man, now sweep, now Hausa, deny him now. They will carry their brother's property and say, Ndi Igbo should take him. They will deny their brothers. Where are we heading to? Politicians everywhere. I didn't want to get out of it. And I'm a muddy bone. You must not know it will not happen. And now I said, you are there, Ghana, you keep calm. Enough, tell of things are happening. I used always appreciate youth of this our country. The time answers, I see a lot of them have provided their self. They come out. That is what they call brothers keepers. Even when the bullet was coming, they did not run away. That is how it was supposed to be. Stand as a unity, as one tree, as one body, and one faith. Who fight and get what you want. Be your brother's keeper. In any place you see your brothers. Never you deny your brothers because of money. Never you deny your brother because of position. Never you deny your brother because of anything. This is my topic today. If you want to enjoy this page, you must come and enjoy it with truth. Get money with clean heart. Anybody that stays in this page, when you with clean heart. If you don't have a clean heart and a clean hand, you cannot enjoy it because even the good are one auntie. Okwu ndụmọdụ wetara taa bụ mmadụ iwe onye nche nwanne ya. Be your brother's keepers. Igbe ga na-eme ihe nka Chineke ifeọma na-emere anyị. Inwe ịfụnanya mgbe nke enwere ịfụnanya mgbe nke ya na-eme we start helping each other. Mgbe nke ya na-eme ịfụnanya ya asụ Igbo. We start talking together. We start chatting. Mmadụ we keep start word eziokwu because ị nabatara ya for the first time. Ndị Igbo ibe m, otu a kọrọ m n'ọnụ taa, anyị ga-afụ ụbọchị ọzọ ka Chineke gọzie gị. Biko ana m asị nụ na-agbasanụ ozi ọma ka ọ na-agazu mba niile ka anyị were ya na-amụta ya na-agbanwe ọnọdụ ndị mmadụ. Ka Chineke gọzie onye ọbụla n'aha Jizọs Kraịst. Amen. Aha m bụ King Pride Ụkọm. Amen.